it's Dom from 12 Tomatoes bringing you yet another great video. This is about grilled chimichurri chicken. Chimichurri, we all know and love it, a very herby pesto of sorts. We're gonna use chicken breast and chicken thighs because yes, we love both. This is my go-to marinade for whenever I wanna grill some chicken. You have to try this. Let's go. All right, so first thing you wanna do is prepare your proteins, baby. Chicken we know is fairly uneven, so we're gonna cover it with a little plastic wrap and pound it out with a meat mallet. Oh yeah, work out all those feelings. And just go around evenly in a circle till that chicken is nice and flat and even. Then we're gonna season each piece of chicken with salt and pepper before we go ahead and make the marinade. Now, speaking of marinade, let's make it. So in a little bowl, we're going to combine some red wine vinegar, some lime juice and some lime zest with some crushed red pepper and garlic cloves. Then we're going to rip up some parsley and cilantro, throwing in stems and all, and top it with some olive oil. Then we are going to go ahead and throw an immersion blender in there and blend it until it's beautifully pureed, baby. Oof, look at that. It's so quick, it's effortless, it's easy. Then we're gonna pour that marinade all over our chicken. Go ahead and reserve a little bit if you wanna serve this chimichurri with your chicken, or if you wanna leave some for basting the chicken while you're grilling it. That's what I like to do. And then grill it. Grill it on a nice high heat. These herbs get so nice and charred, and that lime adds such a nice flavor to this chicken. Put it out on a pan as soon as you're done and serve it right away. Right, it's time to try this chimichurri chicken. Look at how beautifully juicy this looks. Classic. It's just like barbecue grill flavor with light charred herbage. And I'm so team here for it. Definitely try this. Let me know what you think. Bye, babes.
12 Tomatoes.